Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create a mobile app with BuildFire, beginner guide step by step clearly. To create a mobile app with BuildFire, start by visiting the BuildFire website. Click on the Get Started button. You will be prompted to create an account. Fill in your details and verify your email address. Once logged in, select Create a new app from the dashboard. Choose a template that fits your app's purpose. Consider the type of app you want to create, such as a business, education, or e-commerce app. After selecting a template, you will enter the App Builder interface. Familiarize yourself with the menu on the left side of the screen. Here, you will find options for features, design, and settings. Begin by customizing your app's name and logo in the Settings section. Next, navigate to the Features tab. Select features that enhance your app's functionality, such as push notifications or social media integration. Drag and drop your chosen features into the app structure on the right. You can rearrange the features as needed to fit your app's flow. Now, go to the Design tab to choose your app's color scheme and fonts. Ensure the design aligns with your brand's identity. Preview your app frequently to see how the changes affect its layout. Once satisfied with the design and features, move on to the Publish section. Review the checklist provided by BuildFire to ensure your app meets all requirements. Fill in necessary information, such as app descriptions and keywords for better search visibility. If everything looks good, click on the Publish button. BuildFire will guide you through the process of submitting your app to app stores. Follow the instructions for both the Apple App Store and Google Play Store. Your app will undergo a review process before it goes live. Prepare to promote your new app once it's approved. Monitor your app's performance through BuildFire's analytics tools post-launch. Make any required updates based on user feedback and analytics data. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.